Hello, my good friends. It's afternoon everywhere, and I want to show you another amazing features that we just added to Trade Ideas. So first of all, of course, the races. You guys all know this is the top tool in Fintech. The stock that is winning the most races, that's the one you should be in. And again, it starts winning, and if it continues to win, look at what it's able to do. Here's 74% up for the day. But that's not what I'm here to tell you. I mean, this is, again, something you can all experience. What I'm going to show you is, and by the way, again, look at these patterns, okay? There's a reason why we created this technology. Believe it. But let's get to trading it. Watch, I click on the buy button. Notice now you see a line following the prices. So I'm going to put my order right here. Notice the stop goes right with it. This is an additional improvement that we have made in Trade Ideas Pro. And here's another example of it. This is actually a really good long-term turnaround potential here. Data processing, it's a German company. So I'm clicking buy, and notice where I'm moving my mouse, you see the exact price where you're about to place your buy order. So I'm gonna wait for this to break out again, and these are my orders. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how it's done at Trade Ideas. The best place to see the ideas, trade them, and profit. Please visit us at www.trade-ideas.com. Subscribe and see why we are the leader in fintech for the last 20 years. Thank you.